treat. Water slides, water park. Oh, there she goes. And I was going to say gin and tonic, but it's actually gin and Fanta lemon. This is a local drink from Menorca, and it is local gin from Mahon with Fanta lemon and a squeeze of natural lemon, and it's called pomada. And it's 5 o'clock somewhere, unless you're on holiday, in which case it's as soon as the bar opens. Loving this. You tested that water yet, babe? Come on, get in there. Just look at it. Clear as clear as clear. Oh, where's Ollie going? Let's go and join him, see where he's going. This is why I always hire a car when I go on holiday. Bit of investigation, a little drive around. You've got this little bay. Look at the colour of that water. That is fantastic. How warm is it? Well, I'm going to go find my swimmers. This is looking too good. Having a lovely time down on the waterfront. Look at these beasts. There is some money down here. Look at that. Look at that. My days. And that grey one behind it. Look at that. Oh, hello. It's just like being home. Got a cat over here. The dog that looks like Rocky over there. But overcast today. Just checking, bar's still open though. Yep. On the far west coast of Menorca in the CLI Beefer 3-cylinder gutless hire car. Just as well, there's no dual carriageway on the entire island. And then there is the ferry which goes to Mallorca. Just about see it over there. Look. That's about 20-25 miles away. Oh, I can hear the music off the ferry. How random is that? Party time. Oh, here we go. That. Don't know if we're allowed to stop here, but there's no double yellow line, so I am.
There is some sort of yellow line.
Oh, the ferry, the other side of the ferry. Look. Thanks for sorting this holiday out, babe. Big props. You're my anchor though. They're getting worse. Old school steps. What's that? You got a cave? Where's your cave at? Mate, this is it's so uneven. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really cool. I can't believe how clear the water is. Mum. Oh mate, come down here. Mate, drop down here. Mate, the stairs. Oh wow. Oh, this is cool. Mate, you'd have to pay money if this is the UK. Look at that. Mate, check this out. Oh, look this side. Mate, imagine how busy this would have been at the weekend. Oh, somebody's BL just kicked over. That is so wicked. Mate, people definitely would have been jumping out of here yesterday, right? Mate, this is wicked. How random. Ferry's finally going out. Mate, look at these pads. Look at that. Lifestyles of the rich and shameless. He spent all his money on his house, look. He can only afford a Jeep Wrangler now from about 30 years ago. Mega. This looks like a private footpath as well, just for these houses. Because there's no end to it, either end. I think this is just that. I think that belongs to that house. Absolutely stunning. Turn another corner, it's another bay. This is pretty cool as well. These guys here, look. Got your house and then out your back garden, they've actually like cut steps into the rock. Like a little chill barbecue cove area. How cool would that be? Another one here. And these are all private residents. Absolutely awesome. And then straight out to sea on one of your boats that's over here. You know you're in Europe when you're just surrounded by Euro boxes. We've got Seat, whatever that is, Peugeot 3008, Dave North, shout out. We have got a Mark III Golf GTI, which is pretty cool. Another Peugeot, but actually I was really excited to see this. This is a really nicely spec'd BMW 320D. That's really nice. This place like Wild Kingdom. Awesome. How cool is this little place? All these little chalets all around, looking over this little bay, including this dad's chucking his kid in. I think you're going in, mate. He's going in. Brilliant. This is so cool. To get up to that top one, they have to go up these little stairs. But they're all the same, they've all got their own little quirky staircases. This one you have to go up there, look. Stairs up to some shops and some restaurants. Look at these little ones. So this little one up there, to get to it, you've got to go up here. That's really cool. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh, he's thinking about it. Wait, look at this. Absolutely stunning. Mate, have you saved him? Oh mate, you're a lucky boy. We nearly ran you over. Mate, well, he's heading that way, so go and release him over there. Yeah, we're all clear, Mate, I'd have noticed you as a speed bump. Oh, bless him. Here, go and put him down. Oh, there's a lizard there as well. Oh, it's a giant lizard as well. There he goes. Oh, that's so cool. Sorry, I've got to pick him up again. Oh, he's really heavy.
They ain't like. Oh, you've got to be more careful, mate.
Oh, how cool is that?
You've got to be more careful.
Oh, he's got his claws in my foot. He's giving me a little cuddle.
Giving you a little warning.
That's so cool.
I know. Oh. Bye, Mr. Mr. Tortoise.
See ya, mate. Where's he going to go? He's off. My worry is that in 5 minutes he changes his mind and tries to go back across the road.
Well, then that...
See ya, buddy. I feel like holiday's complete now. I've seen a tortoise. That was awesome.
Oh my God,
Here you go. What's that mountain called again?
El Toro?
El Toro.
I think.
I'm a bit worried this 3-cylinder car won't get up it. But we're going to give it a try.
Get out and push.
Might have to get out and push.
Yeah, sorry.
Potentially the best road on the island, but we are stuck. Oh, look at that. That's pretty good. Stuck behind a Seat, was that? A Roma and a coach. And solid white line. Who is that? Is that actually Jesus on the thing?
It's Jesus.
Is it?
Yeah, have you seen it? Mate, that's literally Jesus.
Oh, I've dropped off the boost. Might have to go first gear.
Are you alright, Max?
No,
You alright?
I think we should throw off the side of this
I just
cliff.
meant he's right
Parking
behind
space there, but it's the bins. So can we go in there?
No.
My days, look at this. Yeah, that's where we're going. Going to next, this bay over here. That's awesome. So pretty. That's a little town we just driven up from down there. Lots of tourists. Seems weird, we haven't really heard much English where we are. A lot of Spanish tourists where we are, which is always a good sign. That's wicked. Here he is, look. And before you ask, yes, I have got a full phone reception. Oh, this is mental. You've got a 360-degree view of the islands. She's only got, yeah, she's like
Perspective, that isn't it?
second stage.
Why is he always doing this one? I always see him, he's always stood.
He's like getting ready to hug everyone, isn't he? Welcoming everyone with open arms. This is pretty cool. Bar and ice creams. Well, the journey's complete. Shop in a cave. Oh wow. I was not expecting that. Hey, lovely. Oh, well, that's pretty cool. Right, I'm tight.
No, 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 no! Love, I told you no!
I know I said the other day about this 320D looking pretty fly, parked against all these Euro boxes and everything else around. However, someone's out-trumped him today, parked next to him in an M5. Look at that. Honestly. Looks like I've got a bit of spacer action going on as well. Looks like it's been lowered a little bit. That looks so gangster. Right, another little town. That's where it's all happening. A little walkway along there, look. How cool is that? Proper cool. This is well sketch. Don't fall in. It's still really clear, look at it. That is about 10 foot deep, I reckon.
Want to test it?
And it's nearly dark. How clear is that water? And no, I don't. Hola, señoritas. Isn't this potentially the coolest footpath you've ever been on in your life? It's absolutely brilliant. Gracias. This is awesome. Brilliant. Just there where Ollie is, that's about that where that rock is there, that's about 4 feet below the surface, even though it looks about a foot. And then just there is about 10 foot down. But it's so clear. It's so lovely here. It's about the 3rd time we've been here this week. The water's so clear and the fish are so tame because it's reasonably busy. If you lie in the water and just like float there with your arms out, they come and try and nibble at your fingers because they're just so used to people being here. People literally chucking bread and stuff in the water and they come and eat it out of your hand. Right, parked up, going for a little wander up to find the fort. Best thing about I think all of Spain, but also Menorca, is no pay car parks. Haven't found a car park yet that's got a pay meter in it. And if this was the UK, it'd be a fortune. But also there's like street parking everywhere, no pay meters, which is very refreshing. Literally park up, handbrake, go for a wander. Quite hot. 32 I think, nice breeze though. Jet ski racing. I've got to do a quick video of this because it's potentially the coolest place I've ever been to. You come down those steps down the side of the cliff and then down these steps, and then you've got a bar there, that's bar number 1. And then bar number 2 is in a cave in a cliff. How cool is this? Team Spuds. Yo! I bet this is absolutely buzzing at night time. Apparently this used to be a pirate's hideout back in the day. It's now a bar. How cool is this? Just had a local gin in there, which was delicious. Look at this. Pretty cool. Little VIP area in here. I guess at night time this is all closed off. Have a little bar in there. How good is this? Absolutely awesome. The walk of shame. Past everyone sat at the bar and by the pool. Rubbish.
Why are you filming?
Sunset. You look good, mate.